Yeah,
Ashia, where you from?
Minnesota.
Minnesota? Okay. So the question that I have for you today is, what is your financial goals in life?
To be successful, not work hard and, have general wealth for my kids, generational wealth.
Okay. So tell me a little bit about that.
Well, I do a lot of savings, so I put money to the side for the girls because I have two girls. And then, like I got 401k and all that stuff. I got property I invested in everything.
That's really nice. And how long have you been doing this now?
A couple of years. As far as like the property and whatnot, but like 401k, like I've been doing that for over 10 years and whatnot.
And do you have any financial tips to those people who are watching these videos?
I would say budget. Do your budget every month, like that's the most important. And then get what you need versus what you want, because like you need to eat, you need electricity, but you don't need a pair of Jordans. You want a pair of Jordans.
That's really smart that you're giving all this advice. So there's a lot of people who just want to spend a lot of money just to impress others. What you gonna say to those people?
You can't take it with you when you're dead and gone. So
Exactly.
for me, I'd rather leave something to my kids versus not. You know what I'm saying? Then like not only that, I want them not to work as hard as I did. You know what I'm saying? So that's very important for me.
Good. Yeah, a lot of people don't understand what it's actually financial freedom is. Can you explain to them?
Well, you don't have to worry about anything. You're not dependent on nobody, like you're dependent on yourself. You know what I'm saying?
You want to chip in? You want to add a little more?
You're dependent on yourself. Like I'm not asking the government for help. Like I'm doing it on my own.
Okay.
That's financial freedom to me, and like there's no money worries.
Yeah, it's just knowing that you wake up every morning and like you don't have to worry about money, and so your family's all set.
Correct.
That's what it's all about. And that's what a lot of people are chasing for, but there's a lot of people who don't understand the concept of financial freedom, correct?
Correct. I totally agree. And especially like the new generation, like they want the bling bling, they want all this stuff, the material things, but they don't look at the bigger picture. Yeah.
That's true. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.